Okay, air conditioning, leaky evaporator. This is a Prius, and there's the rest of the dash and everything like that. And there's the rest of the dash up right there on the cart. 7.5 hour job. Now, for automotive guys, we're used to this, and we're used to cars that go all the way up to say 22 hours of labor just to get to an evaporator a little bigger than our hand. Look at all these connectors. And as they get older, they get brittle, lines get brittle, stuff starts breaking. You have all these plastic actuators and everything like that. And you might have a mad customer after you when you put it all together in a little plastic clip, or you left something disconnected and you got to take the dash off again because you forgot one connector. Yeah, you HVAC guys, how'd you like to take all this apart? This is what we have to do. We have to back pin this, get our, when you don't have a scanner or when there's a lack of communication because of a broken wire, HVAC guys have not a clue of what it's like to have to read all these color codes and back pin a wire at one of your connectors, one of your control modules, to get information before your scanner when you're diagnosing problems. And imagine this little itty bitty thing for an evaporator the size of my hand, 7.5 hours of work. Where if you go up to a residential furnace or some of the commercial stuff, you just open up a big side panel with 6 or 8 screws in it, and boom, there's your evaporator. So this is why automotive technicians make killer HVAC technicians when it comes to diagnosing. Since 1974, we've had barrel sensors, temp sensors, dwell meters, fuel feedback for like furnaces. We've had on fuel injectors and stuff since 1974. And this is why grabbing an automotive technician who's great at teardown and diagnosing makes excellent an employee for commercial HVAC, refrigeration, or residential. All right, see you guys.